Okay, we've finally got the spring pan in and the spring in, and we're just finishing off tightening up. Now what we've done, as you can see, is we've used just a nice heavy block of timber under the spring pan, get it up close, line it up, and then pull it up nice and tight into the vehicle. So you'll see, basically, we've got, now these are a lowered spring and a heavier duty spring. It was from Alfa Romeo, but spring pan is in. Drop link for, or link for the drop link for the sway bar. It will come back, swing back onto that. And what we've managed to do is also put in the rubber and the steel ring that the spring sits against up in the top of the frame, which was missing before. We've still got to come back, drop this out again, and put the rubber in underneath. That's still missing in the spring pan. We didn't have enough today, so this will get the car up and running though. So that's the job done, really. This would have taken us probably the best part of a day or half a day if we'd had all the components and we didn't have to refurbish some of the swing arms, etc. But cleaned up all the bolts and the nuts, and that's in. So wheels will go on. Hopefully wheel alignment is still relatively good, but now that we've put new components in, we'll go and get it wheel aligned properly.